let's get started on part B of example 2. So we're going to do the same thing that we did in example 2 part A. Where all we're doing is graphing each transformation separately and stating what the transformation is. So remember, whenever we graph these functions, we always start with the parent function. So step 1 is our parent function, which the parent function is always the same. Remember, it's like if you remove all the numbers, whatever is left over. So the first step is the parent function, which the parent function is y equals the absolute value of x. And remember, we always use the same values for our parent function. We use a little bit of negative, so -2, -1. We include 0. And then we include some positives, so I'll use 1 and 2. I'm going to go ahead and extend these over so we can use them later on. Alright, and our parent function is the absolute value of x. So all that's going to happen is we're going to take the absolute value of all of our x's. So the absolute value of -2 is +2. The absolute value of -1 is +1. The absolute value of 0 is simply 0. The absolute value of 1 is 1. And the absolute value of 2 is 2. So first we start by graphing all these x's with all these y's. So my first point is at -2, 2. My next point is at -1, 1. My next point is at 0, 0. And then my next point is at 1, 1. And my next point is at 2, 2. See if I can fix the light.